Okay, so this is our Sportsman Polaris 400, and we have, you can kind of see a low tire. What it is leaking. When I came down, it was down to the rim before, so we blew it up a little bit, and it stays for about a day or two, and then it's low again. So I'm gonna blow it up, and I'm gonna check for leaks. I'm gonna check around the rim. I'm gonna check to see if there's any nail holes, and we're gonna go from there. What I'm gonna do is spray it with some soapy water and see if it bubbles up anywhere and see where it's leaking. So I'll show you how I'm pumping it up and then spraying it. So now I'll get the spray and I will put it on there. So I just took a generic bottle and I put water in there with a bunch of soap and I shook it up. This is just Dawn soap. And hopefully this will spray. Doesn't look like it's around the rim yet. So it's not leaking around the rim. It's not leaking around there. See what we can find. Blew it up a little extra. And what this does is, if the hole comes, if you find the hole, it'll bubble up everywhere. With it leaking so quickly, you know, within a day, you would think I'd be able to see where it's leaking from. Boy, and I don't see it. Okay, so trying it on the inside. Boy, and I'm still not seeing it anywhere. So this is kind of disappointing. I thought I would have something for you. Okay, so I had to turn off the camera so that I could be spraying it better. And I think you can see that. As you're spraying it, it's the air, the pressure on the inside is pushing it out. So that's what's known as it's in the tread. I can actually feel it now. So it's actually in the tread. If it was over here, you could not plug it. If it's up here, I'll be able to take this tire off. You just take these 4 bolts off, you know, jack this up, and then I can take the whole tire off and I can bring it to a place that works on 4-wheelers or anywhere, cars, automotive, and they actually can plug that from the inside or the outside. If it's from the inside, there's a patch, and if it's from the outside, they actually drill it out and press this plug in there. So this will be a fairly cheap fix instead of buying a really expensive tire or having them to take it off. I'm just going to bring it in and have them plug it from the outside. They might even do it for free. Sometimes it's somewhere between $1 and $12. So anyways, that is how you check for leaks on your 4-wheeler tires, your car tires, your bike tires. But loving the Sportsman 400 Polaris, and this is going to let us keep using it for work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Look for all my other how-to videos, and I'll be able to keep putting more on here. Thank you very much.